Hey everyone, welcome back to Inscape where we create something new, and welcome to the third and final part of Rakshabandhan series. You might be wondering that why is this girl posting Rakshabandhan video after everything is done? So let me tell you, because this is going to be the after occasion video. Now, as you know that everything is done, Rakshabandhan is over, successfully done. अब क्या है ना, जो हमारे भाई लोग हैं वो 2-3 दिन तक ना बड़े शौक से राखी पहन के घूमेंगे। मतलब ज्यादा अगर बहनों से प्यार करते हैं तो 4 या 5 दिन मैक्सिमम। आफ्टर दैट दे आर एनी हाउ गोइंग टू रिमूव इट। सो इंस्टेड ऑफ दीज राखीज गोइंग वेस्ट, you can use them in a very creative way, and I'll be showing you how you can use them. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. It's not compulsory that you use only the parts of Rakhi, but you can use other additional material like I am using. In this DIY also, I am using some extra material. These are these small mirrors, or you can say the craft mirrors, and some decorative material. Also, I am using some ice cream sticks and the Rakhi. Apart from these, I have made two more items. The first are these miniature pots. I have made them using some Kundan that I got from the Rakhi and some of my extra material. And second is this frame. I used the small Rakhis in the corner. So that's all for today's video. अगर पसंद आया हो तो like, share and subscribe जरूर करना. If you haven't seen the previous part, I'll mention link in the description box. And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay creative.